Amid the tense situation in Jiri district, the Assam Rifles has been accused of psychologically intimidating the people of Jiri by setting up multiple bunkers and erecting barbed wires at Ranivang under Chandrapur Ward No. 7 in the border district. Notably, Jiri has been on the boil since June 6 last month after a Meitei civilian called Swabam Sarat Kumar Singh, 59 years, of Sorok Atingbe was killed by suspected Kuki militants and the subsequent attacks on several Meitei villages in the border district. The Meitei civilians at Ranivang said that erecting multiple barbed wires by the Assam Rifles has made them even more restless. Taking into account the sentiments of the people, a team of government officials led by Jiri SP Pradeep Singh and CO of 39AR Akash Kumar removed the barbed wires and the bunkers after monitoring the condition of the village. Meanwhile, the CAF and PTA Minister L. Susindra Singh has arrived in Jiri to monitor the tense situation of the district.